Hello, I am Daniel Gurău. I'm a technical marketing engineer at HPE, and in this video, I will be showing how you can use external stores with HPE SimpliVity to back up your data to an on-premise device using HPE StoreONE or to the cloud using the HPE StoreONE Catalyst Cloud Bank. It is recommended to use HPE SimpliVity external stores as backup destination as they provide a cost-effective way to preserve backups for extended periods of time on secondary storage and in the cloud. Let's start by logging in to our SimpliVity federation. As you can see, I'm running two clusters in my federation, one local cluster with 2 nodes and one remote cluster with just 1 node. From the cluster configuration menu, we can access the HPE SimpliVity external store page, and we can see that currently there are no external stores registered. Let's jump to our StoreONE system, where I've created in advance 2 stores for this demo. One Cloud Bank store and one Catalyst store. Going back to our HPE SimpliVity external storage menu, we can click Register and provide DNS name, store name, user and password for the store and select the type. We can check the status of the job in the VMware Recent Tasks tab. Once we've added a StoreONE Catalyst store, we can now add a StoreONE Catalyst Cloud Bank store. The process is very similar. We click Register, we provide details, and we select the external store type. With both external stores registered, I'll demonstrate how you can back up virtual machines from an HPE SimpliVity cluster straight to HPE StoreONE or to the cloud using HPE StoreONE Catalyst Cloud Bank. We select the VM that we want to back up, and from the SimpliVity menu, we click on Backup Virtual Machine. We give the backup a name, and we select our StoreONE external store that we created a few moments ago. To check the status of the backup, we can watch the recent tasks, or we open our external storage menu. We select the external store, and we click Search Backups. This window will show us all the backups that are going to our HPE StoreONE system. HPE StoreONE Catalyst Cloud Bank cannot be used as the backup target. It is only available as a StoreONE Catalyst copy target. Once you have a backup on your external StoreONE system, you can select the item and, from the Backup Actions menu, you have to click Copy Backup. You will select your HPE StoreONE Catalyst Cloud Bank store as destination and click on Copy. Depending on the size and the number of backups to replicate, it could take a few minutes for the backups to replicate. The backup status will show a saving whilst it is being replicated to the HPE StoreONE Catalyst Cloud Bank store. Once the backup is complete, we can see that the status is showing as protected. For each protected VM, we can see all the backup items and the backup location. Open the SimpliVity menu for the VM and select Search Backups. A pop-up window will open and it will provide full details about the backup items associated with the virtual machine. Restoring a VM is also a task that can be performed without leaving your VMware environment. To show you this, we'll first power off and delete the VM from our environment. We'll now open HPE SimpliVity External Storage menu. We select our store, and from Backup Actions, we click Restore Virtual Machine. We have to give the new VM a name and a data store where to restore it. Once the machine will be restored, it can be powered on straight away, but the data replication to the second SimpliVity node in the cluster will take some time. Once the replication is complete, all the SimpliVity alerts that we see in vCenter will clear. In this example, I've run the backups manually so we can see the functionality in action. But we can also use an HPE StoreONE Catalyst store as a destination when creating backup policies or for editing existing backup policies. Here, I've added a new rule for an existing backup policy where we'll be using our HPE StoreONE external store. As we've seen in this demo, the process of backing up to an external store is as simple as backing up to a SimpliVity cluster. The HPE StoreONE store is just another SimpliVity cluster target. You have the same right-click actions, same ability to automate backups, no additional software is required, and all the actions can be performed from your existing hypervisor management interface. This concludes our quick demo. I would like to thank you for watching, and I would like to wish you a great day.